The next group of bags is designed for use in homogenizer blenders such as the masticator, stomacher, and others. These bags are made from a thicker film and are sized to fit the various blenders. The bags range in capacity from 13 ounces or 390 mLs up to 55 ounces or 1,650 mLs. A 3 mil thick bag is designed for the smallest machine and holds 13 ounces or 390 mLs. The 24 ounce 720 ml bag comes in both plain and right-on, is 4 mils thick, and fits the medium-sized machine. The largest bag, 55 ounces or 1,650 mLs, is used in the medium or large machines. One bag is designed with a special round bottom seal to minimize sample particles from being trapped in the corners during the blending process. 3 bags have a filter inside to separate the solid from the liquid. The filter is made of finely perforated polyethylene. The sample is placed on one side, and as the sample is blended, the liquid transfers through the filter to the other side. The liquid is then drawn off with a pipette for testing, and the filter keeps the solid particles from plugging up the pipette. The new stand-up bag, which is a 24 ounce, 720 ml capacity, is also designed to be used in the blender. The stand-up feature allows the bag to set down on any flat surface, allowing easy sample removal. No special holder or rack is needed for this bag. Also available are 2 plain bags without a closing tab. One is 7 by 12 inches, or 18 by 30 centimeters, and the other is 15 by 20 inches, or 37 by 50 centimeters. These are used when the sample does not have to be retained. They are sealed at the top and have a perforation for easy opening.